everyone, this is Coach Laudiaann Silvis. Actually, I'm on the road today. So my husband got home. He got me breakfast, but he wants me to get him some treats, so I have to go probably to the dollar store somewhere. But I'm gonna go to this discount mart store. I really love this store because they have a lot of new items, and it's just one of my favorite discount stores. So I'm going there right now, and I'm gonna let you all check it out. All right, see you when I get there. Okay, everyone, I am almost there to the discount store. Gonna get more treats. I'm gonna find different types of treats for my husband. If I can't find any here, I'll go across the street to the 99-cent store, but I have to make a right turn here. And it is called the Bargain Center. It's called Hardy Bargain Center. It's a really great discount place because they got a lot of new stuff there, and this is usually where I exercise, Planet Fitness. You can see it on the right hand side. Actually, this is one of my favorite little shopping center because I always come here all the time. Then I eat at this buffet here. It's called Coney Buffet. Okay, this is the Hardy Bargain Center, and I usually get a lot of bargains here. Really good bargains, and I'm gonna show you. And I get sometimes I get my yarn here. So I am parked, and let's get inside. I know the sign says it's 99 cents, but not everything in there is 99 cents. And we still got to wear masks. Pets welcome. Please don't leave your pets inside your car. Oh, cool. I can bring my little Gigi. I think I'm going to get me another basket here. The Hollywood bag. Pretty sturdy bags. These canvas bags are $1.99. What else they have here? 89 cents for water. I need to get water. A gallon of water. I'll get 2 of these later. And ooh, this is a new one. These are leggings. They're $1.99. I like this one. Let's see. One size fit all. I'm gonna get that one. I have so many. I don't have a red one though. That'd be a good Christmas one. I think I'll just get 2. Got me a plain black one. So I'll get these 2. It might give me a drink here. Energy drink. This one has no carbs. I'll get an energy drink. I'll come back. Big backpacks for $5.99. Oh, how cute. A Wonder Woman. Backpack for a little girl. That is cute. Two for $1. You like hot, spicy ramen noodle. What else do they have? Disinfectant spray. I always come here. They even got blinds here for $5.99. We got these steel cup for $1.29. That's pretty good. And what in the world is this? A camping lantern. That is so cool for $1.99. That's cool. Hand soap. Oh, that is a really big one. That is huge. Oh, and it's only $1.49 plus tax. This is why I love coming here, because I don't even know what this is. What is this? A blanket? What is this? No, I got them. I'm wondering what this is. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Oh.
Nancy, how are you? I think those boxes are for you.
Let me put this down. So that's the reason why I come here. This is cool. Oh my gosh, I gotta get this. It's so cool. Get these for me. That is so cool. Here we got baby clothes for $1.99. Boxers for kids, underwear. I always come here. With socks. I feel like I'm at the swap meet. And I think I'll come back and get more shirts later. Actually, I need a cart. Let me go get a cart. Hi everyone, welcome back. As you can see, there's a lot of bargains in the store, and that's why I love coming to Howdy Bargain Store. It's a great place to go shopping, and I actually shared it with my daughter, and my daughter was having fun shopping there. There's always something new. They're always bringing something new, a new item, and the items are like good, great quality. The only thing I forgot to do is get my water, but that's okay. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. I'm a YouTube channel, all return subscribers. This was a little bit of different video for you, but I know you guys like bargains too. So if you have a local area, check out your new bargain store. I don't know where you live, but there's always one that's always unique, and I hope you get to find one. Anyway, smash like, comment, need to hear your feedback, and check out my latest upcoming new video. The next one will be coming up soon because I'm editing a video right now, and this video is going to take time for me to edit. So I will talk to you soon. Have a great day and happy Sunday. Bye everybody.